Good afternoon from the Swiss Alps, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gianni, and today I will talk about this guy right here, the 24-105 f4 lens, and why many photographers, if they had to bring just one lens on their next trip, they would probably choose this lens. So if you are thinking about getting a 24-105 lens, here are 4 reasons why you definitely should. Let's start with the range. 24-105 is a great range that will allow you to capture great photos, whether you are into landscape photography, event photography, portraits, or street photography. On one end, you have the focal lengths with which you can get that wide angle look, such as the 24-35 millimeters. These are great to capture the whole scene, and if you are telling a story, to give some context to the viewer. Then we have the 35-70 focal lengths, which are closer to the human vision and are very popular among street photographers. And last but not least, on the higher end of the range, between 70 and 105, we have those focal lengths that are excellent to create an epic compression and draw the viewer to a specific element within the frame. So overall, a great range. Then at number 2, we have image stabilization. The 24-105 has a maximum aperture of f4, which is not always the best aperture in low light situations. However, this lens has image stabilization, and according to the lens specification, it provides up to 3 extra stops in low light situation. That means under certain conditions like handheld shooting, you might actually get better low light performance out of this lens than let's say 24-70 f2.8. Number 3, minimal distortion and good sharpness. So I can speak for the 24-105 lenses released by other cameras and camera brands, but this particular lens, aside from a little bit of distortion at the edges of the frame, it is really sharp, especially toward the center of the frame. So, is it as sharp as a prime? Probably not, but it is sharp and it has a great image quality. In addition, it is known for fast and accurate focusing, something that you typically only get on very expensive lenses. Which brings us to reason number 4, the price. In contrast to other mid-range zoom lenses like the 24-70 that I mentioned before, the 24-105 is much more affordable. For example, as of March 28, 24-70 f2.8 cost around $1,900, while a 24-105 costs $1,099, which is a big difference. So in conclusion, to summarize, the 24-105 f4 is not the perfect lens by any stretch of the imagination, but it is an excellent lens, and it's an excellent combination of great focal lengths, high quality, and a reasonable price. With this lens, you will be able to take landscape, street, and urban photos, as well as some nice family pictures. So, if you're thinking of getting one of these lenses, check out the link in the description, and if you already have one, please let us know what you think about your lens. That's all, guys. If you have anything about cameras, lenses, or photography that you'd like me to discuss, just leave a comment in the section down below and I'll try to create a video later this year. See you on the next video. Cheers!